Hello everyone, my name is Raj Kapadia and I am part of the Effort Day Trading team. This video will be looking at a trend following indicator tool which is mainly used to find a trend within a market for the currency pair that you are analyzing. So to look at an indicator tool, we will be looking at one of the most common tools that is used across multiple indicators, as you'll see in MQL5. It is known as the simple moving average, or the SMA. The simple moving average is basically used to calculate the average price change over a time period. So to take a step back, a time period is basically the interval that you as a trader would select. So to take an example, let's say that the interval that I would select is 1 hour, and I want to take an SMA of the Euro USD currency pair over 5 periods. So that is mainly saying that I'm calculating the SMA over 5 hours. So the SME is used to determine whether or not, as a trader, should I open as a long position or a short position. Again, to recap what long position and short position are. Long position is a position that becomes beneficial when the market price rises. So as a currency pair is bought, that is considered a long position. On the other hand, short position is a position that is beneficial when the market price declines. So in this case, the currency is sold. Selling at a higher price and then repurchasing it at a lower price is basically you making profit. So that is what SMA is mainly used for. I will also just show you quickly how you can add an SMA to an existing um, candle chart. So this is the MQL5 web application. So as you can see, the Euro to Euro USD candle chart is plotted. If I want to insert an indicator, in this case, we are selecting a trend indicate trend following indicator tool. Um, Within this, you have multiple options, and of course, there are many more. But for right now, we are interested in the moving average. So as you can see, the period in this case is set to 5. You can change this and have multiple SMAs just for calculations sake, and you can change um, the time frame from this option itself. So for right now, we'll keep it at 5. We want to calculate it on the closing rather than the opening positions. And the method here, again, we are going to be using simple. There's also exponential, smoother, and linear, and there are different indicators that also use these methods, but in this case it's only the simple moving average. Once you hit OK, as you can see, the red line is basically the SMA that's being calculated based on the time period that we selected. So yeah, that is basically, as you can see, the value and the time is given for each position that's being open, and as you can see, um, it's over 5 periods. So yeah, this is basically the SMA.